Alright guys, so I'm gonna try this battery cleaner and acid detector on my wife's 2015 Ford Mustang. And if you look over here, it got pretty nasty. Okay, so her car constantly having issue with dead battery. I don't know why it's constantly doing this, but I think the best I can do at this moment is probably just keep using battery cleaner and make sure the terminals are nice and clean so the battery doesn't drain itself. I also got just a generic battery terminal cleaner, bought all those from probably AutoZone. Yep. So yeah, this is about like $5. This is like $5 as well, so not terribly expensive, but I think it's definitely gonna keep you from having to spend, you know, $150 to $200 on replacing a battery. All we have to do is this one, just shake it well, and I think I'm just gonna spray this on the battery directly. Let's see. Oh wow. Smells like laundry detergent, so I don't really know, but let's see what's the direction. Ooh, look at that. I want a pair of gloves as well. All right, so you most definitely want to wear a pair of gloves. I just went in and got the gloves, but here's the instructions. So basically just spray on the corroded area, let sit for 2 to 4 minutes to neutralize, and then flush with water. For best results, you're gonna apply some corrosion preventable sprays. I don't have it. Probably somewhere in my house I might have it, but I think our priority now is actually get the negative terminal cleaned, and then most importantly the positive terminal. Okay, so I'm gonna keep on spraying the thing onto the positive terminal, let it stay for a while, and I'm gonna go just grab some rags to absorb whatever area that's being cleaned and neutralized. Okay. All right, so I sprayed pretty liberally. This is what it looks like after the thing has kind of worn off. And I'm just wiping off those excessive liquid. So hopefully not too much from the negative terminals. And it's kind of gooey once it's neutralized, okay? But you can see it actually removed all or most of the corrosion, at least on the negative terminal. On the positive, we'll have to take a look because the positive was pretty badly corroded. Okay, but you I don't want to pour water on here, so I'm just using a shop rag from Scott. Okay, but I think it did a pretty okay job. Now, speaking of it, I definitely want to also go get some preventive sprays to put it on here so it doesn't get too bad. Let's check this. Oh, well, I think it probably did an okay job. I might have to spray some more on the terminal over here, all the little bolt. Yeah, still have plenty of gunk and nasty stuff on the positive, so definitely gonna spray some more. And this thing, when you spray it, be careful, wear a glove because it sprays like everywhere. It's like a huge mess. So, you see? It's kind of maybe fun for some people. You see the foam's growing, right? But I just want this to be very well cleaned. All right, so we let it soak for probably another 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll come back, check on the bolts, especially the bolts. Yeah, this is pretty nasty. So if you have a Mustang, definitely make sure your battery is in good shape. Okay. Wow. So when it shows red, that means there's acid. Definitely shows some acid over there. Just gotta keep a better eye or close eye to the battery condition so it doesn't drain itself. All right, so negative terminals pretty well cleaned, and there are no sign of acid. However, looking over here, lots of acid on here, and I believe it's because of the copper terminal is reacting with the rod. And what I want to do most is actually using the little brush right here to also clean the screws, so later on you can unscrew the thing if necessary. But wow, there we go. Now obviously I'm not able to clean that lead top, but I think any other place that we can reach, we're able to actually just scrub it just a little bit so it's in better condition. Okay, last treatment, looking a lot better, a lot better. While the spring, still quite a lot of like acid indicator turned like pinkish. However, I think we have done a much better job extending the life of this battery. See those purplish colors? That's acid. Okay. And I think we are getting there, okay? We're definitely getting there. Just using the rag to soak up as much of those acid neutralized liquid as possible. See, those are all acid. If it's not yellow, it's pinkish, it's acid. All right, so it started raining, but I want to show you guys the completed product, which looks way better than what we did before the treatment. Okay, so the last treatment effort concentrated on just me scrubbing away all the acid that's been neutralized left on the terminal, and now it's looking pretty good. The bolts are kind of restored, so if we need to take it out, we can. But that's just, if you own a Mustang, just always check your positive battery terminal to make sure there's no corrosion, there's no acid buildup, and then you should be able to have your battery last for a longer time. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe to the channel. Eventually I will have more similar auto maintenance videos coming out for you guys. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.